Alright, PB here, somewhere out in the Dakota Territory, as it was many years ago. Out here with DFX and Miss H, and invited along by TW again. Thank you again for inviting us along, and he's the first one on the board with a nice, yeah, it looks like an eagle button. So very nice, well done. Well done. Alright, we're going to keep looking. Now DFX is on the board. Got himself a nice knapsack J-hook. Well done. Hopefully the other one's around somewhere. Just to show you folks, this place is just full of stuff. There's glass. This time I'm not digging any glass though. Another signal right there. Let's see what we got here. Did it fall out?
Oh, grommet, poncho.
Poncho grommet. Yep, brilliant, well done. Okay, TW back on the board. Beautiful general service eagle button. Well done. Alright, DFX has now got a 5070 cartridge. Very nice. Very good. Well done. And Miss H is on the board. She has a small rivet and looks like she's got like a 32 rimfire. Early pistol round. Well done.
Thank you.
Okay, Miss H is on the board again. She's got herself a 5070. It shows the profile of the sideways
Oh.
shot thing. Yep. Brilliant. Well done. Okay, I'm on the board now. Got a 55070. Very cool. Okay, now I've got a 4570 and it has a date on it. Brilliant. 9 of 70, I can't read that. 9 of 78. And it's got a C at the top, so it's a carbine 4570. That's brilliant. That's awesome, I'm happy with that. Okay, DFX has just dug a, that's nice, yeah, general service coat button. Very nice. Well done. And I just dug a 44 pistol. Alright, let's keep digging. This one is like a button. It's a cuff button. It's flattened. But that's okay, I'll take it. So the wind's howling here. What do they say? 26 miles an hour. We'll be drawing to a close shortly. But I just took an iron target and went in really soft, this ash right here, and out with it came parts to a pipe wall. You know what I mean? I'm going to try and put this back together. That's what I do. So that's very cool. Look at the design. That's brilliant. Clay